we did, and then we moved on to bigger successes. So, we did the first Jacob & Co. branded residences in the world. But then that was not enough. So we followed it by the first Bugatti branded residences in the world. And that was not enough. So then we put that in our bank of accomplishments and we moved on to do the first Mercedes-Benz branded residences in the world. And we put that on a side, and then we moved to selling to global stars like Neymar Jr. by our lovely Chief Sales Officer. I think if someone deserves a round of applause, it's this guy, huh? World record, 550 million dirham penthouse, the most expensive in the Middle East. So I always told Abdullah, I told him, if you dream big enough and you chase your dream, everything is possible. God wills, inshallah. Everything is possible. Nothing is impossible in life. And Abdullah believed in this. And Abdullah implemented this. He led by example. He went out there, got Neymar Jr., brought him from his hands, and sold him a penthouse. But that was not enough. Abdullah dreamed big. Abdullah wanted bigger accomplishments. And so he went out there and he sold the most expensive penthouse in the Middle East and in the history of the Dubai real estate market. So you guys have amazing leadership, right? And leadership that leads by example. And I think what's important is that we continue this journey. We sold to Neymar Jr. We sold to Andrea Bocelli. We sold to Aymeric Laporte. We sold to Terry Crews, Karim Belarabi. One more interesting one coming soon. I won't ruin the surprise. And we moved on to going around the world and telling this amazing story, right? We showed the world, not just the market, we showed the world, the entire planet, what we're capable, what we're made of, who is Bengati, what is Bengati, and what is the Bengati team capable of. I remember we were sitting in a meeting